Why does your scanner show the P0181 engine code? What does it mean? P0181 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel temperature sensor A, circuit range or performance. It indicates the engine control module is receiving an implausible or out-of-range signal from the fuel temperature sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel temperature sensor. Open or shorted circuit. Loose connector. ECM failure. Fuel temperature issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Mercedes, Chevy, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.